Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Biosciences with ShahTareen Swati. And I am here to discuss about the structure of the sperm and the fertilization mechanism and the enzymes involved in the fusion of the egg with the sperm and polyspermy, acrosomal reaction, each and everything I will discuss step by step. So first of all, what is sperm? Sperm is the male gamete which is produced during the process of spermatogenesis in the testes of the male. And the testes and the ovaries structures I will discuss in detail later on. And so today I'm just delivering the lecture about the structure of the sperm and the mechanism of fertilization and the enzymes involved in the fertilization. So sperm produced during the spermatogenesis in the seminiferous tubules of the testes, and the most important hormone involved in the sperm formation are the testosterone. So here I'm just focusing on the structure and anatomy of the sperm. The sperm consists of the head and the tail. Now the head, you can see here, the structure of the sperm is just similar to the tadpole. Consider tail and the head. So head of the sperm consists of cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasmic portion. This is the cell membrane, and inside the cell membrane, you can see here inside the cytoplasm there is a nucleus, and there is also a acrosomal region. This acrosomal region contains the acrosomal. This is also known as the acrosomal cap, and this consists of the acrosome. That acrosome is actually, mostly students ask, what is acrosome? Acrosome is the product of the Golgi bodies, and polysaccharides are also present here. And this acrosome consists of important enzymes which help in the penetration of the sperm into the egg during fertilization. So now you can see here the cell membrane, because sperm is a cell which consists of the cell membrane, all the important cellular organelles. Is it clear? So sperm is a haplide because sperm is a gamete which is produced as a result of the meiosis in the testes of the male. So sperm consists, this nucleus consists of half number of chromosomes. If we are talking about the human sperm, so this consists of what? 23 number of chromosomes. Is it clear? So this is the head portion with cytoplasm, nucleus and the acrosome. Is it clear? Now moving towards the neck and the middle piece. So this neck portion consists of the centriole. Centriole present here, and the mitochondria present in the mid piece. Why the mitochondria are present here? Because these mitochondria provide the energy by the breakdown of the ATP to the flagella movement or the sperm movement towards the egg during fertilization. Is it clear? So you can see here in the tail portion there is a flagellum which is made of the flagellin. This is made of flagellin protein which help in the locomotion. Is it clear? And it is covered by the tail sheath. So the tail help in the locomotion of movement of the sperm towards the egg during the mechanism of fertilization. So this is the detailed structure of the sperm with head and the tail and the midpiece, which midpiece consists of the mitochondria and the neck consists of the centriole. Why do the mitochondrial number is greater in the tail region? The reason is that it provides the energy to the sperm for swimming purposes towards the egg during fertilization. Okay. Now you can see here the detailed structure of the sperm. This is the acrosomal region, and this is the acrosome, which is the product of the Golgi complex, and it consists of enzymes which help in the penetration of the sperm into the egg. And the most important enzyme, acrosine, hyaluronidase, and many proteases. Most important, acrosine and hyaluronidase proteases help in the penetration of the sperm into the egg. Means these enzyme actually releases from this acrosome and causes the digestion of the egg membrane, which I will show you. Okay. Now fertilization, which is the fertilization is actually the mechanism which involves the fusion of the sperm with the egg. Now what is acrosomal reaction and the polyspermy? Acrosomal reactions are actually when a sperm binds to the zona pellucida. Now what is zona pellucida? Zona pellucida, you can see here, this is the outer covering consisting of the cells which cover, this is the layer. Zona pellucida is basically the layer. This is the layer of the cell which cover the egg and protect the egg. Is it clear? So inside the zona pellucida, this egg is present. So first of all, what will happen? The sperm come and attach with the surface of the many sperms come and attach with the structure with the surface layer of the egg, and this reaction is known as acrosomal reaction because from the acrosome, this is the acrosome, from the acrosome enzyme acrosine releases, and this hyaluronidase and many other enzymes. So these enzymes digest the wall of the egg, and then the head of the sperm, you can say, which contain the nucleus and eggs, enter into the egg, and this whole mechanism is known as the acrosomal reaction, in which the sperm come and then attached with the outer membrane of the covering membrane or the covering layer, which is known as zona pellucida of the egg, attached and releases the enzyme, which is the acrosine and hyaluronidase. These enzymes causes the digestion of the outer layer of the cell, which is zona pellucida, and then after digestion, what will happen? Only the egg remains outside. So the head enter into the nucleus into the egg, and the nucleus of the sperm fertilize with the nucleus of the egg to form the zygote. Okay, you can see here the names of the enzyme: acrosine, trypsin, hyaluronidase, and proteases. These enzymes help to assist the penetration of the sperm into the egg. Okay, now what is polyspermy and how do the egg prevent from the polyspermy? To ensure that no more than one sperm fertilize the egg, one sperm fertilize the one egg. Once the acrosomal reaction takes place at one location of the egg membrane, as you can see here, when the sperm come and attach with the zona pellucida, the acrosomal reaction occur. When the nucleus of the sperm or the head head of the sperm enter into the nucleus, enter into the egg, then what will happen? To prevent other sperms from fusing with the egg, what will happen? The egg releases protein in other location. You can see here when one sperm enter into the egg, head of the one sperm nucleus of the sperm into the egg, then the egg releases such proteins which block the other sperms to enter. As you can see here, the egg releases the protein, and these proteins then move towards the surface and block the egg from the entry of the other sperm. So when the egg is fused with more than one sperm, this is known as the polyspermy, and the resulting embryo is not genetically viable and dies within a few days. Is it clear? Okay. I hope so. The lecture will be clear upon you people, and I will be back with my next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.